Today, for your viewing pleasure, we have an Ikegai Tu-30Ll. It's a long bed machine. It's got a 15-inch chuck and 80-inch between centers. It's got a FANUC 18 IT control, tailstock, chip conveyor. We have a STEADYREST with it as well. I'm going to run the machine for you. That's low range, 100 RPM. Take it up to 500 in low. All right, we gotta switch gears. It's a 2-speed gearbox. 500 in high. It's 1,000 in high. So it maxes out at 2,500. That's 1,200. All right. Index the turret. We've got 12-position turret. Tailstock is a lock and pin tow-along type. You can see a photo of the STEADYREST on our website. You can view this machine under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching our video.